going on? Back in this motherfucker, finna do it one more time. You know I only do it once a day, but I'm gonna do it twice for you today, you feel me? Westside motherfucking Oakland, you better ask somebody. You know what I'm saying? Billy D, motherfucking smooth. Don't let them fool you. There's only one Billy D. That's me. You feel me? Here we go. Daddy didn't take no shit. Mama raised me right. I rolling strong by my throat, holding my own all alone. I grew up too young for siblings to deal with shit. Still don't quit. Too young for niggas to chill with, but I still got love. There's something twisted and strange, insane in the brain. But still grew up in this game. I came from broken home. Fighting for peace. What I mean by peace is holding cross in the street. Never surrender is my motto. Ain't no glitch in the rooms every day. I'm alive being used like a tool in this game. It's crooked ways and crooked minds all the same in crooked days and crooked times. Falling in love. Never thought this shit would happen to me. When I'm alone in my cell, my mind is trying to break free from the pressures in the whole society full of my life. Not once, not twice, struck out through the strife. The penitentiary blue skull can't stay boot. Swear to God, to the truth, this nigga just like roots in my boot. Wasn't by my side, probably would've died thinking of suicide. Who right, you must do it, die. One side inverted in my heart, tattooed on my mind all the time, on my mind all the time. Never whine about the bitches, just count my riches and treat them bitches like the bitches, giving them digits, dumping them up in digits. But you understand, medicated. I'm going E40 federated, smoking fat blunts and you hate it even though this game is for everybody. This game is deep, counts further in my mind when I go to sleep. The law say that I'm guilty, gonna get my scratch in the game, getting filthy. And can you feel me? And if you can, then you grab this. My life is as good as dead, and so my soul is turned to madness. Biatch!